Welcome back. We made it to the campsite. Here is our setup. There is my partner. Let me flip this around and show you guys around what we got here. We got both of our beds set up, all of our stuff somewhat packed away. Just to show you real quick, this thing's under there. There's the bolts I was talking about to go through with the butterfly nuts on them. There's 2 on each support. He has plenty of headroom in there. I don't really have a bunch. I did just take an hour-long nap, so it is pretty comfortable. And I'll just give you a quick look around the campground. You got the bear-proof garbage cans. And then we're on the outer edge, so all we have is forest. So when we look out the back of the truck, this is all we see. So we're rigged up to go fishing. This is what we're gonna try here, a spinner. We already went out one time. We're about to go fishing again. We used artificial grubs. We stopped at one place and went a little bit up the stream, and on our way back we saw someone catch a fish as we were walking up to the same spot we were just at with a spinner. So we've switched to that. We're gonna go out and see what we can do. So here's our campsite. We're just gonna walk down and out. And right down there, that bridge is where the stream is. Not very far to walk at all. Here's a view from over the bridge, looking downstream. This is upstream. So right up there at these falls, right back here, the pool in front of it, so this right here is where that guy caught that fish and where we were fishing before. So we're gonna try that one more time and see if there's anything else in there. So Asher's in the spot now. I just got a fish on here. I reeled it about halfway to myself and it popped off. We're just starting to learn. I realized that it's kind of hard to know whether or not you're hitting a rock or if a fish is hitting it, because they don't hit really hard, and as soon as you have one bump it, you need to try and set it as soon as possible. I think that's the issue. I didn't set it good enough on the first time and it wasn't hooked very well. We're just using single hook spinners, so you have to set it pretty good, but I'm gonna let him keep trying. So the goal is to try to hit this area right here, or even upstream. So from right about here to right over there, once it gets back into focus, up that little tiny waterfall, then have it drift into those boils there. So this area right here is probably where the fish are actually hanging out. So you want to try and drop things upstream to get it to land in there, and then reel fast right through it, and hopefully get one to just attack it. Well, we got skunked at our last spot, so I moved down a little bit. There's a spot we tried up the stream a little bit there. I was trying this area here, no luck. We're just going to keep moving on down. Honestly, catching a fish would be a bonus, but just the scenery and just standing in the stream is pretty much enough for me. We got Asher just taking a little break here. on the fish, and we're back at camp. Got a fire going. So he's gonna cook a hot dog on the fire, and then we got some beans cooking, or beanie weenies. I'm probably gonna dump all these in these cups and then make a grilled cheese sandwich for myself. And just relax by the fire for a little bit.